100 videos.
Does he just give us points? Like, is that how that works?
I think it's 1 point per 15 minutes, I think, for videos.
Do you know when he said that? Because I don't remember him saying that at all.
He said it a bunch of times in class.
It's like, do we get points for like just sitting here and not actually talking because we don't know what we're doing?
I mean, I guess if
we're working on it, I guess. Like I'm like reading and trying to like figure out how to do it. So I'm assuming yes, because we're spending the time.
I don't remember. Try string compare with quotations instead of apostrophes and see what happens.
Got it.
Sweet. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if that might be just give you an error. Oh. That's fire. That's so fire.
Wait, where did test 4 come from?
Because we're printing tests and check D is equal to 4 because it's a space. That's fire. Then we just have to do the same thing we have to do string compare with move R in the second if. And then it should just work.
Yay. Yeah, finally. Let's go, Logan.
All right, then move underscore R.
Equals 0.
What did I? Oh, yeah. I'm missing parentheses, aren't I?
It's do equals 0 and then parentheses. Yeah.
Okay. Hey, no errors. Let's go.
That's so sad. Put another test inside MoveR, just make sure that works. Printf test in MoveR. Just copy paste the printf of test and then put it in there. Yeah.
And then place it here.
Yeah.
2, 5 test. All right.
Okay, and then we're gonna take another one and put it inside of move R where check D equals 4.
Another test.
So go all the way up to the move R function.
All right. Move.
And then where we see if check D equals 4, put it in there.
What? Test?
Yeah. Or put like test something because I don't know where it's gonna print, so I want to like print over.
Test. Move.
Yeah, that's fine.
Move R test.
Okay, so it's not going into you. Scroll up to the top of me.
Here.
Okay, scroll up again. Get rid of all the x, y's inside of the functions that we have, besides the main function, if there are any.
What do you mean?
Like you see where it says CWD into x, y. Get rid of all those. Yeah.
Here?
Yeah. And in CWF and
CWR doesn't have any.
All right, see what happens now. I don't think it's going to change anything, but.
Where's the shot?
Okay, go back down quick.
Tell me when to stop.
All the way to the bottom, basically. Right there.
You know, I think you could like control my screen or like use my computer if you wanted to.
We could do remote desktop if you want, but I think you'd have to download something, and I'd have to download something.
All right. Yeah, because it would have been easier instead of just telling me to like scroll.
Yeah, if you want, next time you can email it to me, and I can share my screen. I don't care either way. Right. That might be easier. Okay, right after move underscore R, print array of yx.
Which line?
183 or 182, and then after that, yeah.
All right. Print
%c,
and C
and then array of yx.
array y x like that.
Yeah. Okay, so it's equal to m. Why is it not printing it out as m? That is the question. Okay, also right after that, print out the values of y, x and y, or y and x, because our
Print?
y is x. Yeah. Put a space before it, otherwise they're gonna be right on top of each other. That's fine. Because it should technically be equal to.
What did I?
You don't have a semicolon.
Oh, got it. Move our test m to 5.
Okay,
Maybe
go up
like
to our
look
move
at the
r.
move R, yeah.
Yeah, go up to move r. So we're just not changing the value then.
All right. Oh, you want me to go to move R?
Yeah, right there. Down, down, down. Well, do we ever get it to print out test move r?
No.
So it's not going into there. Okay, go back down to the main then. The only thing I can think of is that, so in our, get rid of the print out the values of the array, because we know that works. Right?
Okay,
Right.
can you
Get rid of those 3 print statements under move r. And then instead of printf test, print out the value of check d again. So %d and then check d.
All right.
Okay, so it's still 4. So then we give it to, okay, copy paste the printf %d check d or whatever,
Yeah.
or copy it, and then go back up to move r, and on the first line of move r, put that there.
All right.
It's still doing it.
Wait. For move R,
So-
shouldn't we take what's it called? The x value and wait.
They're switched. So we have them switched, which is kind of our mistake, but it doesn't really matter. Just pretend y is x, x is y.
Maybe Nehal was right, and having the int of check D not be the same as the things down below.
I mean, you can
Like-
name it anything you want. You could name it, sock. It doesn't matter. You can change the name. I think Nehal was saying if he put another one here, it would mess it up.
Yeah. Or wait, move R is just moving it like 1 unit to the right, right?
Yeah.
So why don't we? I don't know if this would work, but why don't we just take like the array and then just add 1 to whichever one was the x?
That's what we're doing.
All right, but I don't know.
That's why we're doing x plus plus. Because if we did it with, say, so like you're saying do array of y and then x plus 1.
Yeah, like do it like that instead of x
You
plus
can't
plus.
do that because if you're moving more than once, you're gonna forget where you've moved. because you're not
Yeah.
changing the x and y value, so it thinks that Michael is always at his starting point no matter what. Which is why we
Yeah.
made x and y global variables, so that we can change them in any function that we need to. I just don't understand why check D, like it's literally equal to 4 and it's not going in to the if statement.
What if, I don't know. Let me just try something. And then, all right, never mind then.
Try getting rid of the space in between the if and the parentheses. I don't think that's going to do anything, but
The if and the check, which one?
in all, I guess all of them. No, that's not going to do anything. Hold up.
Yeah, what the heck is else if? Because that
Yeah.
getting rid of the else doesn't change it at all. It just messes it up. In line 100.
Here.
Yeah, put the else back. Got rid of it.
Hmm.
Move on. Check.
I'm just gonna try and see what happens if you do +1. If it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. All right, it didn't work.
Put a print statement right after. Okay, that's why. Okay. So you have check D equals 1 or 3.
Mm-hmm.
It's automatically going into that thing. You have to put check D equals 3. It's just returning. That's what it is.
Like
I'm
that.
like 95% sure that's what it's going to be. Yeah, let's go.
Oh,
Good
look.
shit, guys.
Okay, so now
It only took us an hour.
we just gotta get rid of the other M.
All right.
Yeah, but you can do that, or you can. Yeah, that's fine. Never mind. Yeah. And
Okay,
that's
so now
easy though. So right before you do x++ and the check D equals 4, set array yx equal to space.
Whoa, slow down. All right, here.
Sorry. Yeah, right before you do x++.
All right. What did you say?
Array yx and then set it equal to space.
Array y x equals to like that.
Yeah.
boom.
And then
Look at that.
what we're gonna do is if they say mark, you just either you set the it's gonna be the tile you're on, right? So is it the
wait,
tile you're on or the tile you're previously on? It's the one you're on, right?
I thought it was the one you were previously on.
That's what I thought too.
So would they say mark after they move or before they move then?
I can check the project file real quick. All right. Mark the ant marks his current position. So I guess.
So yeah, so in the move file, instead of putting it to space, you can put it to P.
Yeah, but they have to type mark in the instructions.
Yeah.
Oh god damn it.
Yeah. So that's what's annoying. I mean that's fine though, because since we're still holding the values of y and x, it doesn't matter. We can just override the m, which is fine. We can honestly.
I got another question. This might be a little bit of like work to get through, but okay. So now, what we moved him to one to the right.
Yeah.
The input file. Okay. Well, now next time, he can move in he can move in 3 directions. Left. No, he can't move left. He can move right, up, or down. Up is the gold. How do we get it so that he checks all the directions to find the gold?
Can you pull up the thingy?
The project file?
No, the actual execution of the program. Yeah.
All right, let me just pull up the code along. All right.
Sorry, say what you were saying again, Ethan, because
Okay,
I didn't
so
understand.
okay, that was 15 minutes.
Oh, you're doing alarms for it?
Yeah, I set an alarm.